When Caitlin Flatiger got pregnant at 18, she was told that her relationship probably wouldn't last. But she and her boyfriend decided not to listen. Now that she's a little older, were the doubters right? Or did her man step up to the plate? Caitlin Flatiger is a young mom from Canada who happens to be a social media sensation. In fact, she's built up an impressive following on Instagram and Twitter over the past few years. And there's one thing in particular that she likes to speak out about. Yes, Flatiger uses her position as an influencer to discuss issues related to being a mother in general and being a young mom in particular. She got pregnant when she was only 18 years old, after all, and the father of her child, Noah Slomsky, was merely 17. Recently, for example, Flatiger commented publicly about her relationship with Slomsky. In the tweet, she revealed what happened when she originally found out that she was pregnant. She referred specifically to the reactions of some people around her. Unfortunately for her, some made harsh judgments about her relationship with the child's father. Certainly, people did not encourage the two of them to stick together and work through the teenage pregnancy, as Flatiger might have hoped. Instead, she recalls rather more negative sentiments being expressed. The young mom particularly remembers people telling her that the relationship wouldn't work out and that she should expect him to leave. However, the couple chose to ignore the warnings, and now, years later, they've proven all the doubters wrong. So, what happened? Well, the two of them decided to make it work, despite the fact that a baby might complicate things. Flatiger even asked her man at the time how he would be different than any other teen dad, and his answer was awesome. He told his pregnant girlfriend, "I guess you'll have to wait and see so I can show you." And from that moment on, their relationship has continued to blossom. In 2016, Flatiger and Slomsky welcomed little Ariana into the world, and then faced the trials and tribulations of parenthood together. But Slomsky didn't leave his girlfriend at all. In fact, he did just the opposite. Remarkably, he showed just how committed he was to the mother of his child by asking her to marry him. Then, in August 2017, the couple got hitched. 2 years later, on their second anniversary, Flatiger describes Slomsky as not just her husband, but her soulmate. If that wasn't proof enough for those who had originally doubted them, the couple then did something else to solidify their family. That's right, they got pregnant again. The young family was about to become a little bit bigger, and this time around they welcomed a baby boy. Jack was born in April 2018 when Flatiger was 21 years old. Although some people were quick to judge her for having another child at such a young age, she was equally swift to shut them down. One of her Instagram posts expressed her feelings perfectly. "How lucky am I to only be 21 and have so many people to love," Flatiger wrote, alongside a photograph of her husband and 2 kids. And ever since then, she's been documenting her family life on social media, showing the world how strong a unit they are. "Each child we have brings us closer together," said Flatiger on Instagram, accompanying a photograph of herself in labor with her husband squeezing her hand. "When we first started dating at 16, I knew he was something special. 5 years later, 2 kids, a wedding, and a crazy life. I couldn't love him more." So Slomsky's been proving himself as a dad ever since Ariana and Jack came into the world. But there's something he's been doing in particular that's caught the attention of people online, turning him into a bit of an internet sensation himself. Although his daughter's still very young, Slomsky has decided to teach her a little lesson about dating. He wanted to make sure she knew how partners are supposed to treat her when she's older. So he's been showing her how the dating game should work. Each month, he plans to help Ariana select an outfit ahead of a very special occasion, date night with Daddy. The aim of the outing is to make sure that Ariana and her dad get a chance to hang out, just the two of them, while enjoying some food together. Recently, the two of them went out for ice cream, and little Ariana loved every minute. Her dad even took the time to give his daughter a handbag before choosing the perfect location for their one-on-one bonding time. She loved it and was so happy when she got home, her mom told ABC News. "She will always know how she deserves to be treated because her dad set such a high example." Flatiger then shared details of the date night on Facebook, and soon it went totally viral. People online loved the concept of their date night so much, in fact, that they shared the post more than 42,000 times. Some people commented expressing how impressed they were with Slomsky's parenting. "Girl, you don't even realize how lucky you and her are," wrote one. Considering the fact that people told Flatiger to expect him to leave, this couple have really done their best to show how misguided that statement was. Not only did Slomsky stick by his girlfriend's side and make her his wife, but he's also turning out to be a pretty awesome dad, too. I hope you liked this video. If so, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to make sure you never miss a video from our channel.